Good morning students. Last class we completed test of divisibility rules. Okay, include some more divisibility rules we have on that 4 points. That 4 points today we'll discuss. The first point is if the number is divisible by if a number is divisible by another number, then okay. If a number is divisible by another number, then it is divisible by each of the factors of that number. For example, in that we'll take 18. 18 is divisible by 18 is divisible by 9. Okay, and 9 is divisible by 3. 9 is divisible by 3. Then 18 is divisible by 3. 18 is divisible by 3. 18 is divisible by 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Then automatically 18 is divisible by 3. Means is 9 is a factor of 18 and 3 is the factor of 9, and automatically 3 is the factor of 18 also. Why? Because 3 is factor of 9. 9 is factor of 18. 3 is factor of 9 and 9 is factor of 18, and automatically 3 also is the factor of 18. Means if a number is divisible by any other number, it is divisible by each of the factors of number. Same like as, for example, 18 is divisible by 6. Then again 6 is divisible by 2 and 3 also. 6 is divisible by 2 and 3 also. Then automatically 18 is divisible by 2 and 3. Means 2 and 3 are the factors of 18. Why? Because 6 is the factor of 18. That's way. And the factors of 6 is equal to 2 and 3. That's way. The 2 and 3 is factors of also 18. The factors of 18 also. Okay. Some more example we'll take. We'll take 24. 24 is divisible by 8. 24 is divisible by 8. Okay, already we know why, because 8 3 is 24. Then what are the factors of 8? Factors of 8 equal to 1, 2, 4, 8. The factors of 8 equal to 1. The factors of 8 1, 2, 4 and 8. Except 8, remaining what are the 3? 1, 2, 4. Means This 24 is divisible by 1 and 2 and 4 also. Why? Because 24 is divisible by 8. That's way that particular number is divisible by factors of 8. Factors of 8 means 1, 2, 4, 8. Understood? Any number is divisible by particular number. That particular number factors also the factors of the first number, means which number we have to take first. For example, 24 is divisible by 8, then 24 is also divisible by factors of 8. Means what are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4. These are the factors of 8. Okay. This is the rule 1. Next, we'll write number 2. What is the number 2? If a number is divisible by 2 co-primes, two co-primes. What is the meaning of co-primes? Last class we discussed. Okay. Their product. If a number is divisible by two co-primes, then it is the particular number also divisible by their product also. For example, 60. 60 is divisible by 4. 60 is divisible by 4 and 60 is divisible by 5. 60 is divisible by 5 and 4 and 5. These two are co-primes. What is the meaning of co-primes? Co-primes means the 4 and 5 is having only one common factor. Number 1 common factor. Except one factor, there is no common factor in 4 and 5. Then the two numbers are called co-primes. Then 4 and 5 is co-primes. Their product. 60 is divisible by 4 5s are 20. 20 also. This is the second rule. What is the second rule? If a number is divisible by two co-primes, then that particular number is also divisible by their product also. This is the second rule. See here, I am taking example is 60. 60 is divisible by 4 and 60 is divisible by 5 also. Means 4 15s are 60 will come and 5 12 jar 60 will come. Then we will take the product. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Then see, 4 into 15 is 60. Like that. 5 into 12 is 60. The product 4 5 are 20. 23 jar 60. 23 jar 60 means their product also divisible by the particular number is divisible by the product also, the co-primes product. This is applicable only for co-primes, not for normal numbers. Why? Because in factors it will be some different. In co-primes is nothing but the co-primes is having only one common factor. What is that one common factor? The particular number 1 is the common factor. Remaining there is no common factors. Why? Because 4 is in one table and 4 table 2 table, but 5 is in one table. And what are the factors of 4? Factors of 4 equal to 1 2 4. factors of 5 equal to 1 comma 5, means here what are the common factors? Is one only common factor. Number 1 is common factor. That's why 4 and 5 are co-primes. 4 and 5 are co-primes. Is there any except one, any another number is in common factors? These two are not co-primes. Okay, in that any, for example, if a number is divisible by any two co-primes, their product if should multiply, we will get the product. The particular number is divisible by their product also. This is the second rule. We'll take one more example. We'll take very simple example now. 12 means is divisible by 3 also. Why? Because 3 4 jar 12 and 2 6 jar 12. And co-primes, here what are the co-primes? Co-primes 2 comma 3. Co-primes 2 comma 3 here. 2 comma 3 I am taking co-primes. Their product, what will come product? 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Then 12 also divisible by 6. Why? Because 6 2 jar 12. 6 2 jar 12. This is the rule number 2. Rule number 2. Then 12 is divisible by 3 and 12 is divisible by 2. These two are co-primes. Their product will come 6. That 12 is particular number 12 is also divisible by their product, means 6. 6 2 jar 12. Means this is the rule number 2. Next, rule number 3. If two given numbers are are divisible by a number, if two numbers are divisible by a number, their sum is also divisible by that particular number. Okay. What is the third rule? If two given numbers are divisible by a number, if two numbers are divisible by a particular number, the sum also divisible by that particular number. Okay. The third rule, we'll take one example. Six and 9. Now 6 is divisible by 3, 9 also divisible by 3. Listen carefully. 6 is divisible by 3 and 9 also divisible by 3. Then sum of 6 and 9 sum of 6 and 9 is equal to how much? 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. I am taking two numbers 6 and 9. These two numbers are divisible by 3. Now I am taking sum of 6 and 9. 6 and 9, what is the sum value, addition value? If you add 6 and 9 will get 15. Then 15 is also divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. 3 5 are 15. See here, 3 3 are 6, 3 3 are 9 and 3 2 are 6. Like that, if you add 6 plus 9 will get 15. Then 3 5 are 15 will get. Means if any number, otherwise any two numbers is divisible by the particular number, if you add, otherwise the sum of the two numbers also is divisible by the given number, is also divisible by the given number. That number, see here I am taking two numbers. We'll take one more example. Now we'll take some big numbers, means 49 and 35. 49 and 35. We'll take 49 and 35. See, actually 49 and 35 is divisible by 7. Already we know that. Will divisible by 7. Divisible by 7 means 7 7 jar 49, 7 5 jar 35. Now sum of 49 and 35 is equal to 49 plus 35. How much? 9 plus 5 is 4, 14. Then 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 8, 84. 84 is divisible by 7 or not? We'll check. Yes, why? Because 7 12 are how much? 84. 84 is also divisible by divisible by 7. See, 49 and 35 are divisible by 7. Their sum means the sum of 49 and 35 is 84. 84 also divisible by 7. Why? Because 7 12 are 18. 4. 7 12 are 84. Okay. This is the rule number 3. Last rule. Then now rule number 3 we taken their sum. Now rule number 4 will take their difference. Is also divisible by that particular number. Same example will take. Same example. 49 35. 49, 35. Actual 7 7 jar 49. 7 5 jar 35. Now difference of 49 and 35. How much? 49 minus 35 is equal to 14. 49 minus 35 is equal to 14. 14 is also divisible by